Hi folks, today we're covering what product analytics is and why your team should actually care. This video is all about strategy, so subscribe and turn the bell on if this is your kind of content. Let's dive into the good stuff. Product analytics is how you understand what real users are doing inside your digital products. Not just who shows up, but what they click, where they stop, and what keeps them coming back. Every interaction tracked across sessions, devices, and time. Here's why that matters. Most teams aren't short on data. Traffic numbers, session counts, conversion rates, that tells you what happened. But it doesn't tell you why users dropped off halfway through onboarding, or why the feature you spent months building barely gets used. Product analytics answers all of that. And once it does, 3 things change. First, you stop losing users without knowing why. Every drop-off moment becomes visible across the full journey. You can see exactly which step breaks the experience and how many users it's costing you. A user clicks add to cart, nothing happens. They try again, and they leave. With product analytics, you see exactly where the experience broke and how many sales it cost you. Fix it, and you'll see the revenue coming back. It's a lot easier to fix what you can actually see, right? Second, your roadmap gets built on evidence, not on whoever had the loudest voice in your last meeting. You can see which features get used or ignored, and which ones actually drive retention. Our product team has been debating one navigation element for weeks. Product analytics shows who's using it and how it's performing. And one look at the data ends the debate. No more gut feel, no more opinion-based decisions. And third, you find out which users actually drive your revenue. Not all users behave the same way. Product analytics shows which segments drive the most value and what those users have in common. A financial services company runs several campaigns. Product analytics shows which one brings in customers who actually stay. They shift their budget, better users in, better returns out. Now, if you're using Contentsquare, it does the heavy lifting for you. Sense Chat lets anyone on your team ask questions about the data and get instant answers. No analyst, no data request, no waiting. Less time analyzing, more time building. The full guide and the free trial link are both in the description. Try it out. And if this was useful, like, subscribe, you know the drill. See you in the next video.